Okay, this is the front valve cover, and what I figured out is put on some gloves real quick. So what I figured out is, see if I can get one of these here. There's a little lip. This is basically the gasket, and the spark plug hole goes through here, the tube. And there is a lip. I've cut this part out, and there's a metal lip right in here. And what I did on these, I said, you know what? Let me just try and see if I can get the screwdriver from this side on that lip and just hit it real hard, give it one good blow, and guess what happened? Came out just like that. So let's try it here on this one, and let's see what'll happen. There it is. Now, putting them in, there was a guy online that I saw, and he suggested to freeze them, so I've had them in the freezer, the new ones, for at least 24 hours. And you put a little bit, you get the new ones, you put just a little bit of oil, you place them in there, and then I believe you take a 21 millimeter and you bang it, and they go in, they seat pretty quickly. So that'll probably be the next thing I'll show you. Alrighty, thanks. Alright, so I just pulled these out of the freezer, and this one went in fairly easy. So I'm going to put some oil here. Let's hope it'll go in as easy as that other one did. And it sure did, and I'm just going to tap it here. So this is a 30 millimeter. That seemed to go in okay. I mean, it's we're done over here on this side. Alright, well, that's done. Let's get this one here. Let's hope this one will go in just as easy. Wow. Okay. Give this a wrap. Let's see. Assuming that's as good as that's going to go in. What's that?
Sounded like you were talking to somebody.
Yeah, well, I'm recording. All right. That went in. Let's see if this one will go in as easy. Alright, let's see if this is going to go in. Alright, that seemed to go in. Just I hit it at the right place, I guess. Alright, last one. Let's hope this will go in easy. Wow. Alright. All right, that's in. This one I can hit it over here. All right, they're in. Cool.